Welcome friends. Today our video topic is fire safety questions and answers. What are the classification of fire? Classification of fire. There are 6 classes of fire. Number 1 class A, number 2 class B, number 3 class C, number 4 class D, number 5 class F, number 6 class E. What are the class of fire according to risk of fire? Classification. Class A fire is solid combustible materials, for example paper, wood, textiles. Class B fire is flammable liquids, for example petrol, diesel, oil. Class C fire is flammable gases, for example natural gases or propane. Class D fire is combustible metals, for example sodium, potassium, lithium. Class F fire is cooking oils, fats, for example deep fat fryers. Class E fire is electrical fires, for example short circuiting equipment. What is fire triangle? 3 criteria required a fire, which are oxygen, heat and fuel. Without one of these 3, fire is impossible. So fire triangle is oxygen, heat and fuel. How many types of fire extinguisher? There are 5 types of fire extinguishers. Number 1 water, number 2 dry powder, number 3 foam, number 4 CO2, number 5 wet chemical. Which fire extinguisher for which type of fire? Water fire extinguisher for use on A class fire, wood, paper, textiles, etc. Dry powder fire extinguisher for use on A class of fire, wood, paper, textiles, etc. B class of fire, flammable liquids. C class of fire, gases fires. And for the live electrical equipment. Foam fire extinguisher for use on A class of fire, wood, paper, textiles, etc. And for the B class of fire, flammable liquids. CO2 fire extinguisher for use on B class of fire, flammable liquids. And for live electrical equipment. Wet chemical fire extinguisher for use on F class of fire, cooking oil fires, and A class of fire, wood, paper and textiles. What is PAS stand for in fire safety? How to use a fire extinguisher? PAS stands for P for pull the pin in the handle, A for aim the nozzle of the base of the fire, S means squeeze the lever slowly, another S means sweep from side to side. The available fire extinguisher can only be used for a duration of. The answer is 30 to 40 seconds. When extinguishing a fire, how much you maintain an away distance of? The answer is 3 meters. In firefighting, water sprinklers covers how much distance of? The answer is 3 meters. How to put the fire out steps? The answer is cooling, starving and smothering. What is RACE stands for in fire safety? The answer is remove, alarm, confine and extinguish or evacuate.